ChatGPT's group chat feature allows you to create collaborative AI thread which can have up to 20 members at the same time. So let me walk you through how you can create group chat in your ChatGPT. Just go to your ChatGPT and open a new chat where you'll see the start a group chat button, which if you click, you'll have this prompt here. Just click on the start group chat and wait for it to generate a link for the group chat. You can copy this link and share it with the users that you want to add into your group chat. So I'm going to use the link from another Chrome profile and join this group chat. So when you open the link, you'll have this prompt here that you have been invited to the group chat. So you'll click on the join group chat button and then you are in. Now let me put this side by side to give you better understanding how it works in real time. So first of all, you'll see all the members here and it shows who is the admin as well. You can add people by clicking on this add button and it will give you the link. Now next is the collaborative chat, which is what we'll see now. I'll enter a prompt over here and you can see if I'm typing over here, it will show up in the chat as well. So if I enter this prompt, it will start giving me an answer and you can see the same question is being shown in other chats as well. So that was the live chat feature. Next, the room admin has different settings which they can do by clicking on this group chat name. Let's just maximize the screen. So you have the first option, which is the people, which will show a list of people. Then manage group link, that is to change the link and you can reset it or even delete it. And then the next option is to rename the group. So you can just rename it from here like this and click on the rename button to change the name. And the last option is to customize ChatGPT, that is you can give it custom instruction like a specific format in which you want the response to be or anything, or the tone and the personality in which it answers any question. So that you can do over here. And lastly, this is the setting which is respond automatically. If you turn this off, you'll have to explicitly mention ChatGPT in your chat if you want to get a response from ChatGPT. So let's say if I ask it something, what is footer? So it will not generate any response unless I explicitly mention it by @ChatGPT and asking it the question again, and you'll see it is generating a response now. So you can use this as a normal group chat as well and use ChatGPT support to get answers to your question quickly. So that was how you can create a group chat in ChatGPT and have different settings and customization for your group chat. And lastly, if you want to find your group chat, you can simply open your sidebar and your group chats will be separated from your personal chat and you can navigate them easily.